Are you a first-time homebuyer in North Carolina and you're a little bit nervous about buying your first house? Well, here's a step-by-step process of how it works. The first step as a buyer in a real estate transaction is you're going to have to get a pre-approval or a loan. Basically, you're going to have to get in touch with a lender and they can help you get qualified for that. Once you get that loan, from there, you are going to give it to your real estate agent, or the lender should have already sent it over to them. Once us real estate agents have that loan in hand, what we're going to do is we are going to set you up on the search and start looking for what you are looking for in a house. How many beds, how many baths, does it need a backyard, do you want a pool? Once we find a house that you're interested in, then we're going to go on a showing. At this showing, we're going to be looking for things that we might not have been able to see in the pictures of the house, and anything that might keep you from buying that house or keep you from being interested in it. From there, if you are interested in the house and you want to put an offer in on it, then your real estate agent should have already pulled comps, or at this point, they're going to pull comps. At that point, they are basically going to pull what the local market is saying and the price per square foot. After comps are done getting pulled, that's going to get us a good price for our buyer and a good price for our seller, so it's fair for both parties. Once you put the offer in, all it is the matter of, is it going to get accepted or not? Whenever you get the offer put in and it gets accepted, congratulations, you are officially under contract. You are working your way towards being a homeowner, but you're not done yet. You still have to go through your due diligence period, and that is the time that you're going to get all your inspections done on the house. Anything that you might need, your HVAC inspection, your pest inspection, your home inspection, surveys done, all that good stuff. This is the time where you're basically doing your homework for the house to decide if you want to buy that house and if it's the house for you. Once your due diligence period is up, it is all downhill from here. Basically, your real estate agent is going to be finishing up some paperwork and stuff to get ready for closing. And then you just have to show up at closing, sign some paperwork, and as soon as that deed gets recorded, then you're going to be a new homeowner.